Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can sort items on your lists, on Microsoft lists, for example by ascending or descending of a specific field or column. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your list inside Microsoft Lists, and here to the right you will see these three buttons: filter, group by, and sort. Click into sort and then choose one of the columns. For example, let me go with the start time for instance, right? So if you'd like to sort by start time, you will see that default sorting here, but you can of course click into that button and switch between ascending and descending. So to start with the earliest event or task or item, and then descending to the latest one, if provided of course we have added a start time or endpoint or something like that, or a task duration or something like that. And you can apply this of course customized to each of these columns here, right? So click into sort and you can sort, for example, by title or exercises, and then alphabetically or something like that. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.